going. Today we're gonna be making the ultimate sandwich. Yes, sandwich. Yeah. All right. The first step that you will need for this sandwich is bread. Okay. This is wholly granulated, ultra special agrio bread with special holes in it. The next thing you're gonna need is jelly of THEESE. This is Welch's jelly. Get the taste or your money back. Conquer grape jam. Yes. And the next thing is peanut butter. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is take a knife and you're gonna want to take the peanut butter, right? So now once you're in this peanut butter thing, you're just gonna want to take some, right? And slap it on the bread like that. And then after that, you're just gonna want to spread it around like it's a I don't have any good analogies to compare that to. But just gonna spread it around like it's liquid. Yes, it is liquid. Ouch. After that, you're going to want to wipe off the excess peanut butter on this piece of bread, because now we're going in for the jelly. Oh. Luckily, that is all the jelly I have in my jelly can. So I'm honestly sad. I'm like mega sad. But, you know, if you have jelly, unlike me, you would use it like that. Alright, and then after this step, all you're going to want to do is take your two halves. This is a really complicated process. Ready? Ah! Great. Oh, God. And because we are so confident that our sandwich is the best sandwich in the whole world, we hired professional sandwich taster, Owen Casey, to come in and taste it. Alright, I've been waiting to taste this sandwich all day. Good. Yeah, thanks. We definitely try super hard to make our sandwiches the creamiest ever. Yeah. It's not very good.